Today we're looking at the top 5 benefits of installing a driver access cage in your facility. Let's get to it. Number 1, driver access cages increase your security. The cages keep would-be thieves out of your facility. However, there is a push bar so that people in your warehouse can exit safely and quickly in case of an emergency. And it is inaccessible to people inside the cage. If employees need to go in and out of the facility, a variety of access control solutions can be added. Second, driver cages increase safety. They keep people confined to one area. This means that visitors can't wander into shipping docks or other dangerous areas. Just having driver cages in your facility prevents injury or lawsuits.
I'll sue you this time, I will.
Third, these cages can easily be customized to your needs. Whether you need a particular color, sheet metal, polycarbonate, or need to work around an existing structure, the cages can be built to your standards. Number 4, the cages meet the safety requirements of all safety organizations. When an auditor comes into your facility, the cages will meet their expectations. And finally, number 5, driver access cages are ideal for visitor management. When people come into your facility, you can check them in through a secure service window. Overall, driver access cages are the perfect solution to keep your people and your facility safe and secure. Click the link in the description to learn more about this awesome safety product.